Hello everyone, welcome to Celebrity MasterChef. This is where the people start cooking their food so they can serve it up for the judges once again. Also, this time it's going to be the City of Jake's World cartoon characters cooking this time. Enjoy the cooking show, everyone. Sonic, you're going to be cooking one of your favorite food, chili dogs.
Trust me, making chili dogs is a piece of cake.
For Gumball Watterson, you're going to make some chicken legs.
Sure thing. Even though I'm still learning how to cook.
And finally for Robin, you're going to make some French fries.
No problem. Ain't nobody can do fries like me.
Alright, chefs, your cooking begins now. "10 seconds left, chefs."
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, chefs, time to begin serving up for the judges.
So I've made the chicken legs, but with a little bit of salt. Which I don't know if you like salt on chicken legs or not. So yeah, that was my dish.
I would definitely give this a 10 out of 10 on this one, because it's really good. Okay, next chef, please.
I made a dish called chili dogs, like what you said that I should cook. And it just has some chili beans on it. And that's that, I guess.
Not bad. I kind of like the flavor of this. Walk away now, next chef.
Since I'm the last one, I've made some French fries for the judges, and you. So yep, that is the dish. Also, that was apparently the current dish I made.
Such an interesting flavor. Well, that's alright, I guess. Alright, to the observatory, please. Okay, chefs, whoever made the dish was pretty delicious. Also, we have a winner for this time. So the winner is... Sonic!
Yes! I can't believe I won. That was the most amazing cooking show I've ever done on TV.